Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking, and Philip is wearing sunglasses in the kitchen. How come?
This was some of the swag we got from the Kitchens for Good thing that you somehow won. We got New Belgium beer, we got Fat Tire beer, which is New Belgium also.
Then we got a hat.
All kinds of little swag here.
We got this cute little top.
That one's for me.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
This
Voodoo
one,
Ranger.
This one's for Mary Beth.
Belgian beer, New Belgium beer.
Yeah,
I love it.
New Belgium.
So that's cool. And then this little mug they sent. So
And
all
then
kinds of fun stuff.
a new fanny pack for Mary Beth.
Yeah. Hilarious. So Philip ran a lot of errands today, and I see that I made a little mess right here. And one of them was to pick that stuff up, which is awesome. So thank you guys. I love it.
Appreciate it.
We won something.
That was fun.
And then check this out. It's all about supporting our local fishmongers. So we have 4 pounds of sashimi grade ahi, and 4 pounds of, it looks like salmon belly. I mean, it is like
Also
amazing.
sushi grade.
So we picked this up today from Chula Seafood, and they're located in Point Loma, right?
That's going to be yummy over the warm weekend,
right?
With some nice, cool, cold, crisp white wines.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. So Ingrid is amazing. She's got a great Facebook group called Creative Quarantine. And today I saw her making these. I know, I'm baking again. Somebody needs to shoot me and take me out of my misery. So I have my muffin tins here. I have almond flour. I put 6 tablespoons, but I don't actually have a measuring tablespoon. That's how lame I am at baking. So I need some kitchen tools. So I used a regular soup spoon, tablespoon, and I put 6 tablespoons, 2 eggs, and I did 2 tablespoons of butter, okay? And I have to use a ½ teaspoon of this baking powder business. And again, I don't have measuring spoons, so I'm just gonna...
Actually, we do somewhere.
No, we don't.
I thought we had the whole setup.
That's measuring cups. I don't know. Hopefully that's a ½ teaspoon. You got me. And then I sprayed the pan.
That's actually as close to measuring as you've ever done right
I
there.
know, right? Oh, I bet you I should have beat the eggs up before I put all these dry ingredients in. I would guess.
No, the mix of them good there.
All right, it's very soupy. So supposedly, you plunk them into the muffin tin or in a ramekin. And if you do it in a ramekin, you microwave it 90 seconds and flip it out, and it is like this amazing keto-friendly muffin. Or you can make like, oh my God, grilled cheese sandwich. Did you just see the monarch butterfly?
I did not.
It was beautiful. Okay, so
Not a
Chef
surprise
Deb,
that we had quite a few
I'm not sure. Is this
butterfly trees,
like, is that too soupy?
bushes.
Maybe I'm gonna add just a little bit more flour. Who knows? This could be like a catastrophe. I'll just put 1 more spoon in, just in case I overdid the butter. This is funny.
I think the overdoing the butter is why sometimes the things don't get quite as dry as they're supposed to. Kind of like the banana bread.
Oh, the banana soup.
Yeah, the banana pudding.
Oh, it was really good though.
It was really good.
It was so good. Hey, and today is a super special day. It is Penny Nathan, our amazing, brilliant leader of our company. It is her birthday.
Woohoo!
So happy birthday, Penny.
Happy birthday, Penny.
It's so cool. So I think these are kind of pretty good consistency. I don't know.
Who knows?
Let me see. It's just, they're very soupy. Huh. I don't know how they're going to come out, but we're going to put, I don't even know how much batter to put in here. You know, because I hate following a recipe. So even though I have a recipe, I'm kind of winging it. But Ingrid did mention, and Chef Deborah Scott of Costera and Ventana and the Cone Restaurant Group, she also had suggested one day, I was doing something and she said to get that Trader Joe's everything bagel mix. So I'm going to sprinkle some of that on this.
I love that stuff just in sour cream, like dipping in our keto crackers and stuff in it. It's really good.
It is good.
They already have that pre-mixed at Trader Joe's too.
I know, I have it right here on the counter.
I love it.
Yeah. So, anywho, A few places I noticed have been opening. I think Lou Boheme is open. I saw them post something. So that's kind of cool, right? Blade. Oh, Blade is open.
Yeah, Blade's supposed to be open.
Blade is open up in Oceanside. So very exciting.
Quite a few restaurants downtown, all around town. There was a list. I'm trying to think of who.
Hey, that
Jean
makes
Schmidt, I
sense.
think, published a list, or she posted something about it, and somebody else posted the list.
Okay.
Or something.
All right, so I'm putting this everything bagel stuff on top. Ooh, this is gonna be so good with Chicky Chew eggs for breakfast tomorrow. Ingrid said they're really filling. And if I'm not mistaken, at least hers look like big puffy things that came out of the oven looking beautiful. Mine will probably be soup, so who knows, right? Okay, 12 minutes.
Sometimes it pays to follow a recipe.
Recipes. All right, so gotta figure out how to actually cut fish correctly, like sushi cutting. I don't know how to do that.
I bet you could YouTube it. There's probably a YouTube video on how to do it properly.
That's true. Gonna have to figure that one out. And
Throw those?
yes, please. Thank you, sir. Anyway, so we have this big bag. I just want to take it out just to show everybody because it's so pretty. I mean, look at this.
That is one big piece of
Look
fish.
at that.
That's
Oh,
a beauty.
Isn't that stunning? Oh my gosh. And then this is, I have figured out how to get the skin off the salmon. I have finally figured that one out. You know, they leave us to our own devices. It's kind of scary out here in quarantine land. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? So tons and tons and tons of fresh seafood. Tommy Gomes is down there every morning while I'm riding my bike in the garage. I'm watching Tommy like show us how beautiful it is down at the docks, and all the guys are down there working super hard. So that's cool. And he said something about meat prices are going up really high. So we need to support, eat more fish, eat
Well,
more
meat is
seafood.
because they were having problems with in the slaughterhouses with COVID.
Oh, that's right.
But I think they got that under control.
Okay. So, anywho, what? Oh, look at my beautiful sunflowers. And this is from a local person, right, Philip?
Yeah, it's up in the Fallbrook area.
So that's pretty cool.
Yep, local grower.
Yeah. 4 eggs from the Chicky Chews today. No fighting, I don't think, today. That was good, right? Chickens didn't fight.
I can't remember the last time we fought.
He's clever. He's clever. Whew, I'm getting warm. I don't know. It's the oven's on 375. I don't know. It's like
It's these sunglasses.
I know. Oh my God,
Giving you
you're
hot
just
flashes.
you're killing me, dude. He's killing me, right? Anyway, I'm
She's
trying to
hot
see.
for me.
Yeah. I'm trying to see who's on there. I see Chef Deborah Scott. How are you,
Hi,
Chef
Chef Deborah.
Oh, we don't have a timer on. How many minutes has it been since I put those in the oven?
What? If you don't need a recipe, you don't need a timer.
No, it's supposed to be 12 minutes. So, all
It's
right.
probably been 5.
Ay. Now I'm just gonna have to keep looking, and
There you go.
I can't open the oven because then they'll, flatten. That's what happened to the banana muffins.
What's it, like a souffle?
I don't know.
I
The
don't think
ones
that one would
Ingrid
be
made
fall.
were like these cool looking, puffy. You know how at
Don't you
Ventana
have to have yeast for that?
it had baking soda or
Oh.
baking powder. You know at Ventana they do those amazing
Yes,
puff-
those puff pastry
Yes,
things. Oh my
yes.
gosh, those are
That's what they look like.
good. Yeah.
But I doubt that's what it's going to be. Mine,
Yeah.
as we said,
We'll eat it with a spoon.
we'll need to eat it with us. So I think I better order myself some measuring spoons on Amazon. And I ordered myself a bigger whisk because this is the only whisk I have at the moment, and I think I need a bigger one.
You know, if you can wait till August, your birthday's coming
Ha ha. Funny.
up. What a great idea for a birthday gift.
So for those of you who are going out, I did see somebody was at Brooklyn, no, not Brooklyn Girl, because that's gone
Used
now.
to be.
Somebody was
That
in
what used to be
Hillcrest.
Brooklyn
No.
Girl?
I can't remember. There was some bar in Hillcrest that somebody posted that they had this really cool, refreshing beverage that they were drinking. But we'll see. And we were going to go to Candor tonight and support Chef Giuseppe and do a little broadcast live, but we're unable to go to La Jolla today. So we are gonna have to support him next week and hopefully get Chef Giuseppe to do a little FaceTime on Facebook Live with us.
And maybe Costera will be opened up pretty soon.
I know.
All that outdoor seating, you can really make that work.
Oh, and
Use the barge, you can spread it all out.
That's true.
Yeah.
That is true. I love that idea.
Love me some Costera.
And a coconut margarita.
Yeah.
For sure.
I still haven't had one.
I know. I have, and they're delicious.
I couldn't find that La Cocoa or whatever it is that you need to make it because we watched her make them, and I just need that one ingredient.
And I messaged Chef Deborah to ask her if we could just use regular coconut milk, so we need to find that out. And I don't know where to get.
Have it at that mom.
Where do we get toasted coconut? That sounds like something I have to bake. That means it could be burned coconut.
That should be.
Hang on, I'm gonna check just to see what these dudes are doing in that muffin pan here.
Are they rising?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
They're rising. They're looking kind of good. They're not poofy like Ingrid's though. You know, that's.
Well, they're not done.
Right.
Never know.
So, all right, everybody. We're just kind of goofing around and babbling, but we hope everyone is going to have a fantastic kickoff to Memorial Day weekend.
It's going to be nice and warm.
Yep, my great
Do some
nephews.
hiking on the beach or something.
My great nephews, Maxwell and Landon, are finished with school, and now you know all the camps that they would normally be going to in the Cleveland, Shaker Heights area are closed, and my niece is working like every other day, and then home every other day. So I can't wait to see her creativity.
They'll do some camp things
Yeah,
at home.
because she's amazing.
Yeah.
She's an architect. Her husband is an architect, and these two boys are awesome. How come somebody is saying I hate you? Somebody hates me. I don't know who it is, but
That could be me with the glasses.
you know, somebody says I hate you. I don't know who that is, but they're on Instagram. So
Anybody can be on
Yeah, that's
Instagram.
true.
Yeah.
that is true. Anyway, can't be loved by everybody, that's for sure. Gonna have haters. All right, everyone stay physically distant while staying socially connected, and you know, just because we're allowed to go out and do stuff, really be careful. Our neighbor went to the airport today and she texted us and told us that 80% of the people that were at the airport this morning did not have masks on, and they were making announcements that if you did not have a mask, they were giving you one.
But then they discovered they had those things that they had pulled off because they were far away from each other. And
Oh, is that what
they
she
could
said?
pull, yeah,
Okay.
it's like the scarf kind, so when you're not around anybody, you can pull it down, and then when you're around somebody, you pull it up.
Got it, okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right, everybody, be safe. Have a great start to the holiday weekend, and we will catch you manana.
On our wine tour.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's right. So tomorrow at
4:30.
4:30, we're doing our virtual wine tasting tour, and we're hoping that we'll have internet outside, but if we don't, we have to still do it inside because we just have really shady internet connection. But we are going to be featuring,
Paso Robles and Los Olivos again.
yep, so
Some of the same, some different.
I have an idea too, about two others, yeah.
Ah.
So I have to fill them in on my idea. I think you might like it.
I already
All right,
have-
we'll see
I
you
have some
tomorrow at
ideas, too.
4:30 on our virtual wine tour.